Welcome friends. Today's my seminar topic is types and structure of hemocytes and function in insect physiology and biochemistry. Hemocytes. In hemocytes, the insect hemolymph contain a variety of mesodermal amoeboid nucleated cell called the hemocytes. They are homologous with vertebrates, leukocytes, and circulate freely in the hemogram. The total hemocyte count per cubic mm along with differential hemocyte count providing relative number of different types of hemocyte in random sample is known as hemogram. The hemogram represent a standard picture of bath THC and DHC together of an insect species. It varies from species and also within a species from the one stage of development to another. The THC varies amount insect from 100 to 13 million per cubic mm. The THC varies development last instar larva 8,000 mm 3 at emergence 34,000 mm before pupation at 12,000 mm third after pupation. In Periplaneta, THC range from 15,000 to 16,000 mm third, while Gralius assemblies from 15,000 to 275,000 mm 3. Types of hemocyte. Arnold's 1974 has classified the hemocytes into the following 9 types: prohemocytes and proleukocytes, peripheral cell with larger nuclei, granular basophils, cytoplasm showing mitotic division and are common occurrence. Plasmatocytes and amoebocytes, polymorphic, avoid the fusiform or pear-shaped with large nuclei, filiform cytoplasmic processes and granular cytoplasm, exhibiting phagocytic behavior and varies from and are common occurrence. Granular hemocytes, compact cell containing oval or peripheral shaped small nuclei and large cytoplasm with acidophilic granules, non-motile amoeboid but metabolic in function and are to wide occurrence. Adipocytes, large oval cell having eoenteric nuclei and vacuoles cytoplasm, non-motile and found in Hemiptera, Diptera, Lepidoptera. This is the prohemocytes, plasmatocyte, granular hemocytes, cystocytes, ferular cell, adipohemocytes. Fifth is a coagulocytes or cytocytes, peripheral cell with large nuclei, hyaline cytoplasm containing separately distributed granules, chromatin forming perinuclear ring and involved in coagulation, found in arthropteris and coleopteris. Spherule cell. Spherule cells. 6 is a spherule cells, oval elliptical cell with eosinophilic cytoplasm and PAS positive spherules in distinct nuclei and are wide occurrence. 7 is the oinocyte, oinocytoids or crystal cells, oval cells resembling eos ionocytes with eccentric nuclei, clear crystalline basophilic cytoplasm occurring in Hemiptera, Lepidoptera, and Diptera and Coleoptera. 8 is the podocytes, stellate cell, stellate shape with central large nuclei radiating permanent podia and occurring in some Lepidoptera and Diptera like Prodyna and Sarcophaga respectively. Nematodes. 9 is the nematodes or vermiform hemocytes. Thread like spindle shape with granules basophilic cytoplasm and are reported in the last instar larva of Prodynia. Hemocyte differentiation. It is found in that primary types of hemocyte is the prohemocytes which develop first from the embryonic mesoderm and thereafter they produce various types of hemocytes. In Lepidoptera, larvae they are located behind prothoracic spiracles, wing, disc, fat bodies, etc. In the third instar larvae, they produce almost all types of hemocytes. The hemopoietic organ undergo complete disintegration at a pupal stage, so they could not be seen in adult. The phagocytic organ or Orthoptera are equivalent to the hemopoietic organ of holome- holomeba- holometabola. Functions of hemocytes. They perform various physiological functions and play a vital role in the life of insect. Major functions are first is a phagocytosis, second is a encapsulation, third is storage and transport, fourth coagulation, fifth wound healing, 6 is continued tissue formation, 7 is the immunity and detoxification. Thank you.